Hi everyone. Today we're going to replace the battery on our 2016 Honda Pilot key fob. So here we have the key fob. So first, what you're going to need is a CR2032 battery. Okay. We have one here. Then on the back side of the key, there's a little lever. You're going to pull it to the left and pull out the key. Okay. So then this is where you're going to pry open. And I'm going to use this little tool and a little cloth to protect the plastic. See if I can do it that way. Okay, so when you pull it open, there you can see the battery. Now to get the little battery out, I'm just going to use a little smaller tool, just kind of pop it out. Okay, old battery. Okay. All right, now you've replaced your battery. It should be ready to go. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe.